One of my favorite parts about our January closure and the time that it affords us is that we get a chance to do really in-depth cleaning and really get to be very hands-on with our objects. One of my favorite projects in particular is getting to really deep clean some of our Argand lamps. So these were lamps that were used in the period that would give off a little bit of light. So I've taken off the globes. So normally the globes would sit here on the branch. So I've taken those off so that I can really access all the little hidden grooves. So to dust the base, I would use my artifact dusting brush and a vacuum, get off that surface dust, and I've already completed that step. So what I'm working on right now is individually cleaning these crystals that are hanging. So the crystals are decorative, but they also, as a reflective surface, would have just assisted in reflecting the light, so amplifying the light that would have been produced here in the globe section. And so I've got a cotton cloth. I'm just using a little bit of distilled water to wipe off that surface dust that has accumulated over the past year. And the result is you get to have a little bit more sparkle to all the little crystals. And that's sort of one of my favorite projects. Is it's fun to get to sort of clean the glass and get to see that almost instant result of clean, reflective glass.